I'm Lansing Mayor Andy Shore, and I'm delighted to welcome you to Manufacturing Day 2018. Manufacturing is very important to Michigan's economy, and as you'll see today during your facility tours, there are lots of rewarding, good-paying job opportunities in today's advanced manufacturing sector. Keep watching this video to learn more, and I hope you enjoy the day.
Opening doors and minds to the world of manufacturing careers. Wondering what to do after graduation? Well, consider a job in manufacturing. Did you know that jobs in manufacturing pay extremely well compared to other industries? In fact, Michigan manufacturing workers made about $250 more per week than workers in other private sector jobs. What can you do with an extra $250 a week? Today's manufacturers utilize the most advanced technology to design, build, and invent the next generation of cars, vaccines, boats, medical equipment, and even body parts. And there are multiple paths to great jobs in manufacturing. Ready to go to work right out of high school? Well, machinists and welders are some of the jobs that only require on-the-job training, with an average wage between $16 and $18 per hour. Do you like to draw? Well, consider an associate's degree in computer-aided design and bring home $22 per hour. How about an apprenticeship? Get paid to train on the job and go to school. 4 years later, you'll have a journeyman's card that is recognized by the U.S. Department of Labor with no college debt. Average starting wage is $24 per hour. Going to a four-year college? Well, we need you too. In fact, almost 40% of all Michigan engineers are employed by a manufacturing company. Educate yourself on a future in manufacturing. Learn more at camconline.org. Manufacturing jobs continue to get a bad rap. But the truth is, over 590,000 people work for a manufacturer in Michigan, and the industry remains vital to our economy. For every dollar spent in manufacturing, an additional $1.48 is generated in economic activity. Let's look at some of the myths surrounding the manufacturing industry. Myth number 1, a four-year degree is the only way to get a good job. But the truth is, college-bound or not, there are many great opportunities in manufacturing, and manufacturers invest in their employees. From on-the-job training to classroom training, from apprenticeship programs to leadership initiatives. How does a more affordable or even debt-free education sound to you? Myth number 2, there are no jobs in manufacturing. Well, the truth is, manufacturing is back and growing. Michigan manufacturers grew by 27% between 2009 and 2015. That's over 125,000 jobs. Myth number 3, manufacturing facilities are dirty and the work is boring. Well, the truth is, today's manufacturing facilities are clean, safe, and high-tech. They utilize the most advanced technology such as cutting-edge robotics, 3D printing, precision machining, laser cutting, and biotechnology. Did you know that 90% of U.S. patents come from the manufacturing sector? Educate yourself on a future in manufacturing. Learn more at camconline.org.